Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've made it to June 2nd, 2025. Today is number 54 of this My Lead Gen Secret ClickBank Challenge. All right, we are moving right along here, guys. And I wanted to come back and shoot another video for you today to show you what we're doing. Okay, we're going to be sending out emails every single day. So I'm going to come in, send out an email, show you the results from the emails that we're sending out. It's just that simple, okay? Now, if you guys are new to this video, okay, if you have no idea what's going on, we are shooting a 365-day challenge, okay? That's 1 year, okay? We're going to promote one offer from ClickBank, only one offer, and we're going to use the My Lead Gen secret system. We're going to put those together. We're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income doing that, all right, guys? So, excuse that, my battery's just running a little low today. Now, let's get right to it, guys. Like I said, we made it to day number 54. If you have not been following these videos, please go back to day number 1 of this video so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Then you can kind of get started and kind of follow along. And that way, whenever you guys get started, you can kind of see what to expect in the near future. All right. So let's go ahead and get right to it, guys. If you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day that you come in your back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 brand new subscribers every single day. Okay. Now, depending on if it's 100 or 200, is going to be how many accounts that you have. Okay. Now, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret is that you can get multiple accounts. Okay. So, what you could do is you can sign up under your own account. Okay. Using your own affiliate link. Okay. Now, I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started. So if you go here and you click on more, there's going to be this tab right here. You're going to want to click on this link, guys. It's going to take you to the My Lead Gen Secret page. Go ahead and sign up for your account. There's a one-time charge of $60 and then $30 a month to keep the service. I mean, it's a no-brainer, guys. For you, for any you guys that are looking to start an affiliate marketing, you're going to need traffic. Okay, you're going to need an unlimited amount of traffic, right? And that's what the My Lead Gen Secret is. You want to be able to build these email lists up to thousands and thousands of people. And if you get multiple accounts, then you're going to just have a plethora of people that you can go to using business opportunity offers. Okay. So this is what your back office is going to look like, guys. It's going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only thing different is going to be your affiliate link, obviously, and the emails that you're sending out, obviously, because we're not sending out the emails at the same time. Okay. So this is what your back office would look like. You're gonna have some tabs along here. This is gonna be the My Leads. It's just showing you the leads that are coming in every single day. Right now, I have 8 different accounts that I promote. I send out emails every single day. Before I started this video, I did send out my emails. That way I can save some time in this video. But I've already sent out my emails today, guys. So today is June the 2nd. I was able to get in front of a brand new 100 people that never seen my email before, which is awesome. Okay. So, this is what it would look like. The master email swipes, these are additional emails that you can purchase. It does cost $30 for you to buy these emails, but these emails are very targeted to business opportunity customers. Okay, so these emails are really good. I purchased them before, so you're more than welcome to do that. But if not, we're going to be using the free email swipes from the offer that we're promoting, which is called Live Chat Jobs on ClickBank. Okay. So if you go here, this is going to be the mailing system. This is going to be the main tab that you're going to be using. You're not going to really have to be messing around in any of these other tabs. Mailing system is where you're going to go and you're going to send out all your emails, okay? So let's go ahead and go down here. What we would do, these are all the leads that you have accumulated. And what you got to do is select all, and then it's going to tell you how many emails that you're going to be able to send out. So right now, this account has 54,000. Okay, so we're going to be able to send this one email out to 54,000 people. Okay, which is pretty awesome. All right, so we're going to send one email blast, and it's going to go out to all those people. Okay, so if you guys sent out an email before in Google or Yahoo or Bing or anything like that, you're going to, it's the same type of setup. Okay, you're going to have a subject line that you're going to have to pick, and then also a body of text that you're going to have to pick. Right here, you're going to click on perfect timing because it's going to go, this email is going to go out at a specific time, and it's going to go out right when our prospect is looking at their email and they're getting ready to open their email. That email is just going to pop up for them, which is awesome. So I love My Lead Gen Secret, guys. I've been doing this over a few years now, over 3 years now. I totally love the service. I promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you it does work. It does convert. One thing I do want to tell you that this is cold traffic. Okay. So these people have to get warmed up to you first before they start purchasing from you and things like that. So just keep that in mind. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to the offer. This is the offer from ClickBank, which is this right here. Okay, this is ClickBank. It's a free network platform that you can go. You can go to clickbank.com and sign up for free. It doesn't cost you anything to get started. And then once you get to that, once you create your account, you're going to want to click on your username. You're going to create a nickname. Okay. This nickname is going to be the nickname that you're going to use to create your account. Okay. And then once you be able to go to the offers, you're going to go into the e-business, e-marketing offers. Okay. And you're going to be able to see different business opportunities, offers that you can pick from. Okay. Now, the one I'm picked from, you don't actually have to pick the one I'm picking. Okay. I just picked this one because it has a rebill of $28 every month to the prospect, and then we get to keep 75 to 85% commissions. That's why I'm picking this one, because it has a rebill every single month. So the whole idea here for me is to stack those $20 payments on top of each other. That way we can have $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, $100 days, and on up. Okay, guys. So that's the whole idea and the whole method to the madness on that method. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here. This is going to be social sales rep. This is one of the top offers on ClickBank in the e-business, e-marketing. So we're going to go over here to the email swipes, and we're going to promote these free email swipes. Now, these emails are really good, guys. If you go back to the beginning of these of this channel, I did different series, and I promoted these emails, and we earned income from sending these emails. Okay, so let's go ahead and pick an email down here. Let's see. I think we sent one out yesterday. That was that one. Let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, let's go ahead and take this one. We're going to just bet pretty much follow what it's basically telling us to do. There's a subject line right here. All we got to do is grab this subject line, Control C, come over here to the mailing system, and then we're going to come down here and Control V. Well, we just want to paste it in there, guys. We're going to come down here to the body. We got to click on perfect timing. We want to take this body out right here, and we're going to grab the body from the offer. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab this body right here. Boom, so take it. Okay, and then boom, Control C. Now, underneath every email, you're going to have a hop link, which is your own personalized affiliate link that goes with this email right here. Okay, so let's go back to the mailing system, and then we're just going to paste it in there. We're going to Control V. Super easy. Take out signature at the bottom, and you either want to put in your name or management, whichever one you choose. And then you want to come up here to the where it says hi name, and we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay, Control C. Let's go down here, and then we want to Control V, right? Let's go and do that. Control V, boom. So that way, when we send out this email, it goes out to our prospect. It says like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, whatever your name is, right? And then it says, hey, we are in need of reliable and enthusiastic chat assistance, right? So it goes into the email. And then where these bold texts is, where it says click here, these are call to action buttons. So we're going to turn these into clickable links. So let's go ahead and do that, okay? Let's go ahead and take this, and you want to highlight it, and then come over here to this link tab, go back to the mailing system, okay? And we want to grab this link right here, okay? Just want to copy it, boom. Okay, there we go. Control C, come back here to the mailing system. Right here, guys, it's very important that you take this out. Okay, take this out and put in your nickname, the one I was telling you about just a minute ago. You put in your nickname, that way you get the credit for this email, okay? So I'm going to do that. So you want to come here, take out this right here. Take out where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. And you want to put in your ID, not mine, but yours, okay? Click on OK. And then boom, that turns that into a clickable link, which is cool. Okay, come down here, do the same. Okay, grab that, click the link there, Control V. Let's go ahead and take this where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. Want to take that out. Okay, boom, and let's put in our ID, and then boom. Okay, let's Control A. Okay, and let's make this a little bit bigger. I either like to use either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys feel comfortable with. Okay, so now look at this email. Okay, it looks a whole lot better. It's a little bit bigger. That way, it makes it easier for our customer to read the email so they can see the opportunity and see what it's all about. And then it has a call to action button where it says read more about this, yada, yada, and then click here. Boom. The prospect is going to click there. It's going to take them to our affiliate page. Our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay, it's going to tell them about the job opportunity and show our customer how to get started working and how they can start making money online. Okay. So that's all we have to do. All we doing is the middleman. All we're doing is sending out emails and making sure that we get credit for them. Okay. So you want to come down here, and we got another clickable link right there as well. Okay, which is really, really cool, guys. So down here at the bottom, there's going to be two buttons. One is going to say send now, and one is going to say preview. Go ahead and click on the preview tab first. Preview that ad first, okay? Click on these. Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here. Sorry, guys, my battery did go dead on my laptop. But I wanted to finish this video here, guys. I wanted to show you, just picking up where we left off. Now, I do want to say, guys, I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything because I don't know if you guys are going to go out and get multiple accounts. I don't know if you're going to take this thing seriously. I don't know if you're going to come in here like I do and send out emails every day. Okay, but that's why I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything. But what I can do is to let you know if you follow exactly what I'm showing you here, guys, you will see progress. Okay. You will start earning income if you come in here and you send out emails every single day. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. Let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank and let's go ahead and check our results from yesterday and see how we did. Today is the second. We did send out an email yesterday, guys. Let's go ahead and see how we did. So yesterday, let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. And then now, as you can see here, if you go to social sales rep, we did get over 1,000 hops today. Okay. We got 628 unique hops. These are brand new people that came to our website. Okay, we got one order from impression, one initial order from impression, and we did get a sale today, guys. Okay, now this is really good because this is what I've been looking for. Okay, we got a sale, so this free trial we're going to get paid from this in 3 days. Okay, our prospect is going to get billed for the program in 3 days. Okay, not only are they going to get billed in 3 days, we did earn a commission today, and that's from. Let's find out where that sale came from, guys. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so let's go ahead and go in here, and let's go ahead and go down here for the commission, and let's find out where that rebill came from. That way, I can show you guys the power of this method. All right. So if you go right here, guys, let's see here. So as you can see, guys, look right here, April 29th, and then they got billed for the program on May the 2nd. So this person right here is from May the 2nd from our prospect that signed up last month on this specific day. Okay. These are the rebills that I was telling you guys about that will start stacking on top of each other. All right. And that's what we want, guys. We want to get, we're going to get these $20 payments stacking up over and over and over again. So we can have $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, $100 days, guys. And it just keeps going up. Okay. So that's it, guys. We did earn that sale today. We did get a rebill from last month as well. Okay, so excuse me. So everything is looking good here, guys. Just wanted to come in and show you how to do stuff today. I came in and show you how to send, how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system, and then I showed you the results from last night's email and how we did yesterday, guys. So we did earn a sale today, which is awesome, and then we also got a rebill from last month, and everything's looking good and looking great. Okay, so what we'll do here tomorrow, I'll come back here with you guys, and I'll meet you guys back here at the same time. We did send out our emails tonight, so I'll come in tomorrow and show you those results on how we did from tonight's email. Okay. I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm not going to make this super long or anything. Like I said, I'm traveling right now, so I don't want to take too much of you guys' time. But I will meet up with you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.